Hey guys, and welcome to Otakumon's Hobby Corner. I am James, and today we are opening a Phantasmal Flames booster box. Inside this there'll be 36 packs of Pokemon cards, and I am hoping to get a complete set, not including the collector rares. So we will crack this open and we will have a look. Oh, very shiny. Right, so let's get into their first pack. Now I've been told that the trick is to shuffle the energy card on front to keep the good ones at the back. So what have we got? We've got a Darkness Energy, the QR codes, Togedemaru, Lombre, Pimplop, Pawmi, Bramblegast, a Blowtorch, Crocodile, Reverse Holo Gligar, he's pretty cool, a Full Art Togedemaru, and a Zacian. That's a pretty solid start. So on the right of the screen I'm going to put the grid as we slowly build them up. On to our next pack. Shuffle out the energy. What have we got? Fire Energy, the QR code, Lombre, Trapinch, Zigzagoon, Prinplup, Punk Helmet, Cresselia, Linoon, a Reverse Holo Yamper, ooh, shiny, Duraludon, Reverse Holo again, and a normal Holo Pawmi. Oh, yeah. Pack number 3. Right. Steel Energy, Murkrow, Gligar, Zigzagoon, Astrevious, Meloetta, Sacred Charm, D'Artagnan, Reverse Holo Genesect, Reverse Holo Swinub, and a normal Holo Reshiram. Next pack. Oh, it's Charizard on the front, so hopefully we get something good. Lightning Energy, Sableye, he's pretty cool. Charcadet, Yamper, Snubbull, another Blowtorch, Seviper, Bramblegast, Haunter, Reverse Holo Zacian, Toxicity, that's a little underwhelming. Next one. What do we got? Water Energy, Toxel, Lotad, Prinplup, Pawmi, Lanoon, Punk Helmet, Alcremie, Reverse Holo Absol. It's a shame he's not Mega in this set. Full Holo Bronzong, and Rotom EX. Oh, we've got one of the good ones. Alright, next pack, what have we got? Psychic Energy, Murkrow, Darumaka, Bronzor, Dugong, Fire Breather, Ludicolo, Honchkrow, Reverse Holo Charcadet, Mega Lopunny, and I believe that is the alternative art version. That one's going to be kind of spendy, and a Suicune. Well, that's a start on the good cards. Right, new pack. Here we go. Steel, Charcadet, Absol, Swinub, Snubble, Cyriluge, Fire Breather, Honchkrow, Toxic. Ooh, Reverse Holo. Reverse Holo Snubble. And another Mega Lopunny, the normal art this time. That's 3 good packs in a row, filling in that grid. What have we got on this one? Darkness, Ghastly, Mimikyu, Apom, Vibrava, Wondrous Patch, Granbull, Bronzong, Reverse Holo Nimble, Reverse Holo Lanoon, and a normal Ambipom. We had to have some bad luck after the last 3, but got a few that we didn't have. I clearly needed to have got some fingernails for this operation. Right, what do we got? Fighting! I think that completes the energy collection. Apom, Ghastly, Nimble, Piloswine, Arcludon, Wondrous Patch, Gliscor, Reverse Holo Mokro, oh, a shiny trainer, Dizzying Valley, and Pormo again. Right, let's see if this one's any good. And here we go. Psychic, Sandile, Swinub, Lotad, Boltund, Grimsley's Move, Palladian Tauros, Lockix, Reverse Holo Granbull, Full Art Nimble, ooh, lucky, and a Reshiram. Seem to be doing quite well at getting the full art ones today. Next pack. Steel Energy, Boltund, Sandile, Charmander, Bronzor, Cresselia, Haunter, Lockix, Reverse Holo Palmo, Reverse Holo Jigglypuff, and Rotom EX Full Art. It's very cool. Very shiny. Alright, next pack. At this point we're missing the Oddish family. We should hopefully find some of those shortly. Otherwise we seem to be cleaning up most of the commons and uncommons, which is nice. Beneri, Bramblin, Absol, Oddish, there we go, found my boy, Dawn, Crocodile, Meloetta, Reverse Holo Survivor, Reverse Holo Alcreme, and a Flygon. That's a pretty solid pack. Some nice shiny ones in that one. Right, what's in this one? Right, we've got Lightning Energy, Trapinch, Crocorock, Jigglypuff, Seal, Bronzong, Dawn again, Survivor, Reverse Holo Moltres. Oh, that's cool. Reverse Holo Ambipom, and a Suicune. Nice. Alright, what's in this one? Come on, I can open it. Getting there. Fire Energy, Seal, Pormo, Jigglypuff, Gloom. Nice. Jumbo Ice Cream. What a weird card. Gliscor. Eternus. Oh, Reverse Holo Gloom. And Reverse Holo Prinplup. And another Moltres. Just need a Charmeleon by the looks of the grid. Alright, what do we got in this one? Come on, you can do it. Open the pack, mate. Darkness, Gloom, Carnivire, Yamper, Vibrava, Granbull, Blowtorch, normal Wigglytuff, Reverse Holo Darumaka, the Battle Cage, a Mega Gengar. There it is. He is very shiny and he's very cool. I think he's the one of the better shiny ones where he goes white in the games, but you know, always happy with a rare drop. What have we got this time? You think they'll make these packs childproof? Steel, Charmander, Sableye, Duraludon, Piloswine, Dizzying Valley, Alcreme, Mamoswine. Oh yes, he's pretty cool. Reverse Holo Haunchcrow, Reverse Holo Togedemaru, and a Genesect. What do we got in this one? Looking at the grid, we probably want to find Charmeleon and Milcery, the little Alcreme one. Other than that, I think we're just searching for the Megas at this point. So what have we got in this pack? Psychic, Bramblin, Dugong, Beneri, Milcery. Finally got one of those. Cool. Eternus, Battle Cage, Brambleghast, Reverse Holo Reshiram. Nice. Reverse Holo Suicune, and Empoleon EX. Oh, that's a pretty good pull. Empoleon's one of the best starters, in my opinion. Alright, last pack, then we're halfway. And we have got Fighting, Milcery, Charmeleon, nice. Smeargill, Togedemaru, Sacred Charm, Lanoon, Haunchcrow, Sableye, a Reverse Hollow Fire Breather, Zacian. Right, second pile. See if we can get some more of those megas this side. Come on, I can open it. Alright, here we go. Grass. Crocorock. Lombre. Trapinch. Zigzagoon. Dawn. Arculodon. Lokix. Reverse Holo Ludicolo. Reverse Holo Blowtorch. And Mega Sharpedo. Oh, that's nice. Very shiny. Don't have one of those yet. It's always nice. And the next one. What have we got? Psychic. Mimikyu. Trapinch. Sandile. Piplup. Fire Breather. Haunchcrow. Arculodon. Reverse Holo Pomo. Reverse Holo Bramblin. And a Reshiram. More reverse holos is always nice. What are we missing still? Vileplume, Mega Heracross, Charizard. Charizard's going to be a difficult pull. I think it's EX. What's the dancing bird's name? No, I'll remember it when I see it. Mischievous is also. I need to find one of those. We got Lightning, Prinplup, Sableye, Charcadet, Yamper, Gliscor, Fire Breather, Ceruledge, Reverse Holo Suicune. Oh, I've already got one of those, but yep. Oh, Full Art Wigglytuff. That's pretty cool. And Vileplume. Oh, nice. Right, at this point we need that Charizard. We need a Mismagius. We'll be fine. What have we got? Come on, open up the pack. Fire. Zigzagoon. Mischievous. Charmeleon. Yamper. Wondrous Patch. Gliscor. Cresselia. Reverse Holo Genesect. Reverse Holo Zigzagoon. Mega Heracross. Oh yeah. Very shiny, very cool. Always do with more of those. Right, what's in this one? Also wish I could remember what the middle, in the middle between Meloetta and Milcery is supposed to be. Oh, do we Mega Diancie? That's going to be a hard one, isn't it? Right, Darkness, Snubble, Murkrow, Didomaka, Bronzor, Wigglytuff, Wondrous Patch, Mamoswine, Eternus, Reverse Holo Wondrous Patch, and Toxicity. I must be getting to the boring part where we keep getting dupes. Come on, we can do it. We've got 3 megas to go. 4 megas to go. No. 3 megas, 1 EX, because the Orichalcum, the dancing bird, he's only a EX, but he'll be difficult to find. So, what have we got on this one? Water. Nimble. Piloswine. Apom. Pormo. Haunter. Lokix. Bronzor. Reverse Holo Lombre. Reverse Holo Brambleghast. Something good looks like it's behind it. There we go. Mischievous. Oh, it's only an EX. Why did I think it was a Mega? Must have got that confused with another one. Anyways, right. 3 cards. We can find ourselves the last 3 cards. We've got, what, 10 packs to go? I like those odds. And we have got... Oh, I saw something shiny at the back of that one. Basic Energy. Dugong. Ghastly. Mimikyu. Apom. Bronzong. D'Artagnan. Palladian Tauros. Reverse Holo Toxel. Reverse Holo Dawn. That's most of the trainers now in Reverse Holo. And a Flygon. Oh yeah. Right, come on. We got three rare ones to find. We can do this. Come on, if I can open the pack, we can do this. Right, Grass. Gloom. Dugong. Jigglypuff. Darumaka. Dawn. Getting a lot of her. Survivor. Granbull. Reverse Holo Ceruledge. I should probably learn how to pronounce him. Prinplup. And Ignition Energy. Huh, it's a IR that's not actually part of the set. A special energy. That'll be interesting. Right. We seem to be rolling up on the IRs, but not getting my megas. Anyways, we'll see what's in this one. Come on, I can open a pack. They're not that childproof. And we have got a Fire. Vibrava. Sandile. Swineup. Lotad. Ludicolo. Grimsby's Move. Alcremie. Reverse Holo Oddish. Oh, very nice. Arculodon and basic normal Charizard. He is still very shiny. We don't have one of those in the grid yet, so that's always a good pull. But yep, no, making progress. 2 cards. Can we find a Dancing Bird and a Mega Diancie? The real trick will be, can I actually open these packs? Right. Lightning, Lotad, Nimble, Duraludon, Boltund, Blowtorch, Wigglytuff, Eternus, Reverse Holo Krokorok, Reverse Holo Cresselia, and Apom. I am finding that the Reverse Holo Dark Pokemon are kind of disappointing. You can't really see the Holo as well as you can on some of the lighter coloured ones. Like the Waters and Psychic stand out a lot more. Anyway, another pack. What's in this one? Oh, something good. Basic Energy, Boltund, Baneri, Bramblin, Absol, Haunter, Battle Cage, Granbull, Palladian Tauros Reverse Holo, Piplup Reverse Holo, and here we go, Oricorio. That was the bird we're looking for. It means only Diancie to go, and we have about half a dozen packs left. Cool, we can do this. Open the pack. What do we got? Darkness, Baneri, Mischievous, Togedemaru, Vibrava, Battle Cage, Bramblin, Arculodon, Charmeleon Reverse Holo. Oh, we got it, boys. We got the Charizard. What the? That's one hell of a pull. I have made my money back on this operation and the Genesect. Whew, that's something. We are back after a slight break for some celebrations to open the rest of this pack and see if we can find that Diancie. I'm very happy with my Charizard pull. That is, like, never actually thought I'd have one, but You know, open enough cards, eventually you'll find something good. So what do we got this time? Water, Oddish, Seal, Pormo, Jigglypuff, Ceruledge, Punk Helmet, Survivor, Reverse Hollow Sandile, Reverse Hollow Mimicry, and Moltres. Nah. At this point, it's just going to be trying to find that Diancie and hopefully another IR or something just to round out the set. Right. What do we got? Fighting, Seal, Oddish, Smeargle, Gliscor, Dizzying Valley, Murmoswine, Meloetta, Reverse Hollow Charmander. That's a complete set of shiny Charboys. That's kind of nice. Murmoswine and Zacian. I've got too many Zacians this pack. Like, I think I'm up to like 4. Come on. We need a Mega Diancia. Why did they put Diancia in the set and not Carbink? Same with the fact that there's a Viper and no Zangoose. But, oh well. Pokemon Company should know what they're doing, it's their IP. Fire, Gloom, Charmander, Sableye, Duraludon, Cresselia, Dawn, Wigglytuff, Krokorok Reverse, nice. Smeargle Reverse, nice. And a Vileplume Reverse. Ooh, full set of shiny Vileplumes, that's pretty cool. Right. We need that Diancie. We're running out of packs. We got 3 to go. Psychic, Pawmi, Piplup, Charmander, Carnivore, Sacred Charm, Crocodile, Titanium, Reverse Hollow Brava, Grimsby's Move, and the Flygon. Alright. Come on. Find that Diancia, finish the set, we can all go home. Energy, Piloswine, Charmeleon, Mimicry, Smeargle, Eternus, Jumbo Ice Cream. Oh, I think I see something good. Ludicolo, Reverse Hollow Ghastly, Reverse Hollow Apom, and there's Mega Diancie. We have got the complete basic set. I am happy with that. This box has been very successful. We've got 1 pack to go. At this point, it doesn't really matter what's in this one. It would be nice to get the other IR Charizard, but, you know, the fact that I got a gold one is probably just good enough, to be honest. What have we got here? Grass, Charmeleon, Swineup, Milcree, Krokorok, Grimm's Move, Alcream, Haunter, Reverse Vileplume, Sacred Charm Reverse, and another Suicune. Well, that is the end of this video. For those of you who are still here, please remember to like and subscribe. I will look at putting the QR code packs on the Patreon for those of you who are willing to subscribe. And hopefully this video wasn't too bad. It's my first time at doing this, and please leave down the comments some feedback so I can improve it for next time. But thank you for watching.